Hello, my name is Glenn. I'm from Necdex. I'm Education Director and Strategic Partnership for a multi-brand company in Malaysia. So we were talking about balayage. A lot of time when they're doing balayage, they love to use a brush like this. Okay, but I'm here today is not going to demonstrate this brush, but I'm going to use something like this, because the brush with the comb is something that not always been used by most of the artists, balayage artists around the world. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to section the hair. The most important part is all the focal point in the front, from the fringe area to the face framing. That will be the first place that I'm going to use all these lightness and balayage kind of painting to be lightened first on that part, so that it will be much more obvious whenever our client or model, when they look at the mirror. And after that, we're going to slowly work towards the back and then slowly open up the fourth section on the top, and we'll finish off based on the section of the head shape that we have. In balayage, normally we recommend to use bleach that a bit thick, like a clay type. But here, sometimes when the customer don't have any clay bleach, we normally will recommend them to use any bleach that they have in the salon, but make it more lesser peroxide, so that you can easily get the thickness of the bleach, so you are easy to paint over the hair. So here I'm going to mix 1 plus 1.5 of the ratio with 6% and slowly work towards the back, and I'm going up to 1.5 level, which is 7.5%, and slowly to the last section on the top I'm going to use a 9% to finish it off and to catch up all the 6% in the front. So as you can see, every section that after I pan, I'll put a foil. It's just to separate the section that prevent it from affected other section. The target color that I'm going to achieve here is like a yellow-orange. So the last section that I'm going to paint here, that I'm going to leave it for 45 to 50 minutes and to catch up the first section that I had. So the first section that I'm going to finish up is the 5 section on the outline, which is on the manipis side and the face framing. So the most important part during this painting is that we need to elevate the hair to almost 90 degrees up and slowly paint from the roots to the ends. And when you do the painting, it's very important that you do most of the bleach you will touch on the middle and slowly separate a little bit of the bleach towards the roots to get the very natural melting effect, and slowly put a lot of amount of bleach towards the ends. And after that, comb through the whole ends to make it like a ombre. And slowly you will lower down the hair section degree to the lowest, and you place it nicely towards around your hair. It's very important that whenever we paint on the side way, we need to have a very nice ombre where there's no straight line, and we have this diagonal V section whenever we look from the back of this hair. And whenever I balayage, I will always use a toner after the balayage lifting. So here, as you can see, after I lift it up to around yellow-orange, I'm going to just tone it down with a tone. So here will be the result. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.